Hello and welcome back to another video on how to make money online. Today we're going to talk about the best paid survey site for getting approved. You're going to be able to make money while answering surveys, so let's go. The webpage I want to show you today is called Vindel Research. So Vindel Research is a webpage that specializes in providing surveys to people in order to get their opinions so that they can provide that information to companies, and so companies are able to better their products according to those opinions. So this is the webpage right here. It's Vindel.com. And you just type Vindel.com and it'll send you to the webpage. They have a lot of information over here, so I suggest you go and read it yourself, but I'm gonna go a little bit over what this whole webpage includes so that you are not lost through it, right? So if we go into it, we see right here it says get paid to take surveys online, right? Down over here we can see that you can take easy online surveys and get paid for them, right? Millions have been paid, and then you get paid with real money. You don't get paid with any sort of points or anything like that. You get paid through PayPal, which is great, and you can do it through any device, which is an awesome opportunity for anyone because you can work from your home, from your bed, and you can be making money answering surveys, which is very easy. Now, what happens? You just go into the webpage, you select a survey. For example, here they have the example that says electronic surveys, $14. So you click on it, you answer it, and you make 14 bucks. It's that easy, it's that simple, and it's your opinion. You don't have to be answering any kind of like technical questions or anything that you might not know. It's just your opinion, so you're gonna know immediately. It's very easy. They have paid over 7 million to people in through all of this, and then they have several categories: cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, new technology, popular restaurants, home improvement, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, travel and leisure, right? So they have several topics that you can talk about. If you are interested in any of those topics and you want to just answer questions about it and make money while doing it, this is the way to do it, right? So what makes it unique? Cash payments, full service report team, and you can take surveys on any device. You can work from any device. You can work from your phone, have no problem at all. They have a payment center. You just go over there, you redeem your money. It's very simple. And you have several ways to earn, which is also very good. You have the paid surveys, you have the videos, you have the referrals, right? So go check out the webpage. I recommend you check out the webpage. It's a very cool webpage that's worth checking out. So and you can read all the information yourself so that you know exactly how it works. And this video right here, especially this video, will explain it to you. We'll explain step by step, detail by detail, which is mostly what I've said. There's not much more to it, but it'll explain to you how they get all this information to businesses, because businesses care about your opinion. So you click right here if you want to sign up, which I suggest you do because it's a very good opportunity to make money online. And so here's all the information you're gonna need right over here on this side, and here it's gonna tell you what you need in order to get started. You have to fill out this information. You have to type in your email address, first name, last name, street address, apartment, postal code, country, date of birth, gender, ethnicity. All of this information is so that they have a better profile on you, and they can, well, the first information is to pay you, right? They need to pay you. They need to address that payment to someone. And then the ethnicity is so that they have a better understanding on you and your culture, so they can give you better surveys. So once you click accept and everything and continue, it would say, and you accept the terms and policy, it's gonna send you here. So it tells you start with a $1 tutorial, right? So they're gonna out of the gate pay you to learn how to use the webpage, which is an amazing thing, right? Who else pays you just to learn how to do their webpage, right? So that's a very cool thing they do. They start right away with that. So here are the steps to start earning money. You have to qualify, then you have to complete the surveys, and then you earn the money, right? It's as simple as pie. So we're gonna click here, start, and after we click on it, it's gonna take you to the survey qualifier, right? So the first thing they have to do is to help themselves know what kind of person you are, right? Once they know what kind of person you are, they're going to be able to better relate the surveys that they have to you. So if you are a 35-year-old male, you are not going to be answering surveys about Barbies unless you have a daughter or a niece. You know what I mean? So they have to get a lot of information so that they know what kind of surveys to give you. So they're gonna ask you how much you earn. They're gonna ask you a lot of info, right? But you have to be sure that they are a trustworthy webpage. So make sure your information is safe. But as I said, they need this information so that they know what kind of person you are, and so that they know what kind of products, what kind of services are you buying, right? So answer all of this honestly and truthfully if you can. If it would be better if you do so that you get a better match with the surveys. I'm clicking random stuff right now because this is just an example of how to use it, but make sure that you answer everything truthfully so that you get matched with surveys that are more adequate to you. Once you're done with all of this, it's going to take you here. Once you click continue, and it's going to give you the opportunity to earn $1 to learn in the accelerated training tutorial, right? So again, they're going to give you another opportunity to earn money just by learning how to use the webpage, which is awesome. We're not going to do it right now because it's just a sample, but over here we're going to have all the surveys. If we look over here, the numbers aren't that high right now because I didn't answer truthfully, but it's a very good opportunity because those numbers are going to fluctuate. You're going to get higher surveys and you're going to get higher amounts paid from those surveys. And if you look over here on the left, it says that you can take the surveys multiple times a day. So even these dollar surveys, you can take them 10 times a day. So if you could complete one in 3 minutes, let's say you do it 10 times, that's 30 minutes, and that's $1 per time. That's $10 every 30 minutes. That's $20 an hour. You can make $20 an hour if you complete the surveys in 3 minutes or less. So make sure you check it out. It might be a good opportunity even if it's only for $1. You could do all of this in maybe 3-4 hours in a day and make, I don't know, somewhere between 80 to $100 just from answering surveys in one day. So make sure you check it out. We can also see they have panels up here. They have jobs, referrals, rewards codes. So let's take a look at what these are. So panel offers: members who want to extend their earning potential should explore additional earning opportunities. We recommend the following programs, right? So they give you recommendations over here of how to make more money and maximize your potential earning, right? So make sure you check this out. That's a very good tool. They are offering you just right out of the bat, right? They say, here is the information you need, go make money. So that's a very cool opportunity. They also have jobs, right? They have a job center, so they can help you find a job. They have several opportunities around your area. So for example, over here with the random zip code I typed in, it gives me several job offers that I could take up and make money if I wanted to make money outside of the internet right now. And then the last one I want to talk to you about is referrals, which is a very great tool. Referrals is just what it sounds like. If you go to the referral center, you'll learn they have a referral program from which you can earn up to $5 per person referred, right? So you create a link and then you use this link to help them get to other people who will also do the program, and then you get $5 per person that joins the program because of you. So it's a very cool and simple way for you to earn $5 because you're helping out a friend by showing them and telling them how to make money online. You're helping out yourself by earning money, and you are just making money online by answering surveys. So it's a win-win for everybody. Make sure you sign up to Vindo Research. It's a very good opportunity, and if you want to do it right now, you can just go to the link down there. We have a link down there in the bio that you could use to go to the page, sign up, start earning money through surveys, and start earning money through referrals, start earning money through watching videos online from any device. Thank you very much for watching. We are very glad that you watched this video. We hope that you enjoyed it and that you found it useful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. We would be very thankful if you subscribe to the channel, because we are constantly uploading videos about how to make money online. So if you want to learn new and awesome ways to make money online, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications so that you get notified every time we have a new video. And we hope that you enjoy this. Have a great time and see you later.